Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Google app not working on Android. So guys, first thing that you will do in order for you to fix it, just simply go ahead and go to the settings on your device. And from here, just simply go ahead and scroll down, and you should be able to see here apps and tap on that. And from here, just simply go to the Google application. So it will be letter G. So just simply go to G. And from here, you should be able to see the Google app. Tap on it. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on storage over here. And now you should be able to see here clear cache. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue, guys. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data over here. And now just simply tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to reset your Google app and you should be able to fix the issue. And from there, you should be able to solve it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.